Hi guys, welcome. So today I'm going to share some LinkedIn marketing tips that I've tried and tested myself in the last few years. So one of the key problems that new content creators face while posting on LinkedIn is what to post, when to post it, how frequently is adequately frequent, should we post every day, and most importantly, how to stay consistent. So let's find the answer to these questions one by one. So, firstly, you find out what you want to talk about. So, this is usually related to the industry in which you're working or you want to work in. So, what exactly to post in that? So, there are 7 content ideas that you can try. So, first is your journey till now. So, this works for better. This works better for people who are experienced. Second is trending news. Make sure you write about how you feel, and for a start, if you don't know or you don't have an opinion, then you can agree or disagree and then write about why do you agree or disagree and what is the impact that the news might create in the industry. So the third is day-to-day experiences. I keep sharing if I learn something interesting in my classes, and it is absolutely unique to me. My experiences, your experiences are unique to you, and that is why it gives value to others. So the next thing is something new you learned, maybe from a relevant book or a podcast, or if you watched a video or something. The next thing is your perspective about a particular topic in the industry, and this is the most value-giving piece of content. And there is a chance that you might even have a fruitful conversation with someone in the comments. Any recommended blogs or videos or courses, you might want to try that as well as part of a content piece. The seventh thing is you can celebrate yours or your friends achievements, give kudos to others. While sharing achievements is actually an amazing engagement, like it gives amazing engagement on LinkedIn, but only posting about certifications or achievements, it does not work in the long term. It does not help as well. So if someone visits your profile and all they see is certificates, they'll be turned off. Acknowledging someone's efforts on a public platform where they get recognition reflects on you, obviously. But again, you should not overdo it. And this tip is reserved only for the people you've closely worked with. So this is an uncommon method of content creation, but you can try it. Share as much as you can, and that too for free. It will help you build a personal brand. And let me know in the comments which one of these 7 things you usually talk about. And if you haven't started, then which one of these 7 are you planning to start with? Decide on fixed timing and frequency. This is the second tip. So, posting daily might be a challenge for some people. A lot of my content creator friends post mostly in every 2 to 4 days and in a fixed timing. For example, in the morning hours between 11 a.m. to 1 p.m. So, you need to experiment with different timings and come up with whatever drives the most engagement for you and which one suits you the best according to your schedule. So if your timing doesn't match with the audience, then you might want to schedule your posts using different tools like Buffer or Publer. A lot of firms do this when they want to target people from a different time zone or different geographical location. So when you fix a plan and you follow it consistently, it won't be hard for you to remain consistent. So if you can't think of posts instantly, then I'll recommend you to write it beforehand or create it beforehand. A lot of content creators use Google Keep or similar tools to store their content, and then they post it whenever their time comes. So you can also use simple note keeping apps on your mobile phone. I do the same. This will help you in times when you face writer's block. There's a creative block everyone faces, right? The third way in which you can be consistent on LinkedIn is to participate in different challenges, or you can create your own challenge. So when there's a community or there's a person whom you're accountable to, you are more likely to be consistent. So as an example, we did a 31 days of challenge by Harshada Garg and in January, and I recently also started a poll challenge to maintain the consistency of posting. So here's a bonus tip. Comment on other people's posts and try to add value in it. You may express your opinions. You can agree or disagree, engage with other people's posts. So how does that help? So firstly, it's about being consistently active on LinkedIn, and it's not just about posting, right? And secondly, when I like what I comment, I often save that link in a Google Keep note, and a lot of times when I think more about that particular comment, I might come up with a blog idea, and then I start writing, and it's a win-win for both of us, right? Because for the creator, they got an engagement, and I got a new content idea to keep my consistency. So here were a few tips and tricks to help you remain consistent on LinkedIn. And please let me know if there are any other ideas that you want, or any other questions that you have about content creation on LinkedIn. I'll definitely try to help you on that. Thanks. Thank you. Please like this video, share it with your friends if you find value in it, and stay tuned. Subscribe to my channel.